Alright, good morning everyone. First of the month, so let's see what the charts have to offer. Obviously, early in the morning over here in regards to trading volumes, so Asian sessions, typically doesn't really offer me a setup in the higher time frames. But I've got the euro up now because it's been quite interesting. I was talking with a gentleman last night about a reversal on this, and it's sort of hard to tell. Well, that 4 hour looks interesting though. It does. It's a bit of a conundrum because you've got that candle there, which is engulfing. Okay, but we got finally loaded up the internet system. Warming up still, I apologize for that. This is what I'm dealing with. I am getting it hardwired, so it's okay. That is happening. Made arrangements for that, so it's good. But yeah, it did. It really turned my screen. There we go. It's better. Let's see what the daily candle looks like. Okay, and it's done this before as well. The lows of somewhat even load up. Okay, but as you can see, through support right now, so it is a zone. So there's a high chance it is going to turn around. So just be a little bit cautious there in regards to jumping in on a trend. Although there was some bad news out of the EURAUD yesterday as well. I'm sort of jumped to the dark side a little bit, and I do look at Forex Live a little bit, especially when I'm scalping. Still, I'm great at scalping, but I'm slowly learning. Let's have a look. Maybe I missed it. See, this is a pretty good website for breaking news, to be honest. Really, really quite handy. Anyway, I saw it somewhere. I think it's probably an older article, but we won't go chasing that. And it has the world clock, so it's got London, New York, Sydney, Tokyo time, and GMT as well. So you can really get a good gauge on social psychology in the markets. Like obviously, no one's up in London. Not many people are trading in New York right now. So okay, let us bring up. Now the pound I did close out, so I'd moved the stop loss, and it had taken me out. Bring the pound up. Yeah. So I got it, collapsed pretty nicely. And, I captured a pretty nice move there. But there were a few pips that I got, but you've sort of got to realize the stop was quite wide. It was over 160. I think it was like 170 something pip stop loss. So I had 2% risk, but it didn't really go anywhere near 1R. So that's all right. And there's some positive Brexit news out as well, so this might actually cause this thing to run a little bit. It's a possibility. Alright. Let's see if we can get the pound Aussie to open. This is what runs the templates that I got from Tony on the Gold Coast for the scalping. I would say scalping is like driving a car very fast around a racetrack. So if you do it all day, it's very exhausting. But see, that was a nice little buy trade there. Oh, we're on the daily chart. I clicked the minute, still waiting. There's a lot going on here. So, I mean, I don't have a top-notch laptop. I'm probably going to need one. And news as well. I have signed the contract for China. I can trade in China still as well. I'm only working a few hours a day, getting paid full-time wage. So I've got my own room as well. So we'll have to get a VPN to obviously get YouTube and my social media, but that will be arranged, and a converter to charge the laptop. Probably over a month away. It takes a while to get a visa, a working visa to China, so I've submitted nearly everything except the national police clearance that the AFP have to do. So that I'm just waiting on. But I'll be going to China, working with the rowing team over there, prepping them for the Olympics. So 1-year contract. I will be getting income protection though as well. It's in case they want to be. I know they're quite cutthroat, which is fair enough. I'm a foreigner, so that's fine. But that's just in general in life. People don't just like. Well, I guess you rely on an employer, but anything can sort of happen. I mean, obviously, a very large company, like Qantas, who I work for, to really get fired is once you're there permanently, it's very difficult though. So I'll be leaving there as well. So it's all happening. So it's a big end of the year for me. Now the pound Aussie. There was probably a long here, so nothing really worth taking quite yet. Let's have a look at the Euro Aussie. Okay, possible long on the Euro Aussie. When this is like this, it's good. It's like a rubber band type methodology. When you have a green and a blue, that's also good. Again, you see I have naked charts, but I've adapted. Like, if there's nothing going on, when I'm in full-time trader mode, I can come in and take a few pips here and there. And it's a little challenging though sometimes, because the server that I've got that they provide with Oanda and Tony had the same issue with AxiTrade, you get quite frozen up. So you can't do anything. You can't even click that. It's really it's pretty bad. But anyway, so that's the update there, guys. No immediate trades. I did a few things before getting on, so I do apologize. I'll try and put out a video tonight as well. It looks like Trade Talk podcast with Connor is going to be on Saturdays from now on. So Saturday works for us well. So that's what it's going to be. But guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.